Hello everyone, today we're gonna make a mojito. First, we're gonna add 2 ounces of white rum. After that, we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of sugar. Then, we're gonna squeeze half of a lime. I have cut it in pieces to make it easy and because no one wants a half of lime in a drink. Now an important part. We're gonna muddle the lime, making sure that the rum is infused with the flavor of the lime and the sweetness of the sugar is crucial. Then we're just gonna add 6 or 9 mints depending on the size. We are gonna grab the shaker and fill the glass with ice, grab the shaker and start the workout. I don't like to muddle a lot the mint, that's why I don't shake too much, but it's up to preference. We're gonna take everything out of the shaker, make sure that you grab all the mint and everything. We're gonna top it off with a little bit more ice. Lastly, we're gonna top it off with soda. Make sure that you spill a little bit. Then we're gonna add a little garnish to make it beautiful, a little mint, and there you have it, how to make a mojito. Cheers everyone.